Hi guys, so today is Monday and we're back again sa pag-edit, sa pagtetest ng mga products at pagre-review. The usual stuff na ginagawa ko every week. And before we dive into all of that, gusto ko lang mag-pause sandali and share a quick reflection from Sunday WAPGen worship. Si Pastor Rafi yung speaker and the topic was all about the Lord's Supper o yung tinatawag na banal na hapunan. Tinalakay din ni Pastor Rafi yung sinulat ni Pablo sa 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 17 to 22. So check nyo na lang yung verses dito sa caption. So to summarize all of that, sinabi ni Paul na may nangyayari dun sa church ng Corinth or sa Corinto na hindi na sila sabay-sabay kumakain, yung iba'y busog na, yung iba gutom pa, at may iba ring mga lasing na. So parang nawawalan ng essence yung communion sa panahon nila. And nagiging normal na lang and nagiging casual. Nawawala na yung unity since ang sabi sa Word of God, sabay-sabay sila dapat kakain at iinom. Pero itong Holy Communion at yung ginagawa natin pag-aalala sa ginawa ng Panginoong Yesus is not just about eating and drinking. Sabi nga sa Lucas 22 verse 19, "Do this in remembrance of me." Gawin nyo ito sa pag-alala sa akin. So, it's all about remembering Jesus, His body broken, His blood poured out. It's sacred and it's personal. And it's a moment to refocus our hearts. Kaya sa church namin, every first Sunday ng month, nagkakaroon kami ng Holy Communion. So, inaalala natin yung ginawa ng Panginoong Yesus sa krus upang tayo iligtas at tubusin sa ating mga kasalanan. Nabanggit din ni Pastor Rafi yung connection sa Exodus 6 verse 6 to 7. So, ang sabi doon, "I will bring you out, I will deliver you, and I will redeem you. I will take you as my own." So, ayun yung sabi ng Panginoon dun sa sulat na yun. And all these were fulfilled through Jesus. He redeemed us, not just to forgive, but to transform our lives into something pleasing and useful in His eyes. Not by our strength, but what He did on the cross. So, kanina, habang bumabalik ako sa usual Monday routine ko, I am reminded to stay focused, not just only on the grind or on the things na goal ko sa buhay, but on the one who gives purpose to everything that I do, which is Jesus. So communion isn't just a Sunday thing, it's a daily reminder of Jesus' love, His promises, and His grace. And nga pala, no, kung taga-Calamba area ka lang or malapit lang, I'd love to invite you sa aming Sunday worship o kaya naman sa aming mga home Bible study groups. So if you wanna worship with us, just send me a message and pag-usapan natin yan. So that's it for today. Yun lang muna siguro and time to edit some stuff. See you around. God bless you.